Hi everyone, I'm Kayode Leke. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you could use curved text to create header logos or any form of design that you want to do on Photoshop. Now, if you've been subscribed to this channel, I'd like you to like this video at the end after watching this. So I endeavor you to watch this video to the end and also share with your friends. And if you're new on this channel, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button because from time to time videos like this are being released and shared on this channel exactly about between 3 to 4 times in a week. Videos like this are uploaded on this channel, so hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you can get a notification whenever the video is being created. So today we're talking about how we can create curved text around shapes or objects. So let's take, for instance, let's draw a text around a circle. Okay, so you click your circle tool. Okay, this is the ellipse tool. Then you draw a circle. To get a perfect circle, you press the shift button down. Okay, then to move it, you use your spacebar. You press your spacebar, then you move it. Once you have moved it to a convenient location, then you remove your hand from the spacebar and it stays on that position. Then you can make the shape look nice, like a perfect circle with your shift button. Okay, then here we go. So now the next thing we want to do is we want to create our text. Now, to create our text, we're definitely going to need to create a curved text. We can actually use the warp, but you won't get a good curvature because the warp tends to distort the shape of the text. So in this tutorial, we'll be addressing how we can actually put the text around the path, like this circular path here. Okay, now so the first thing we need to do is to hit this. So we can trace this circle round. Okay, sorry, let me quickly get on something else. All right, so we can trace this circle round. Let's do this. Okay, then you press your Alt button, click here. In case if you don't know how to use the pen tool, there's a tutorial I've created on how to use the pen tool and how to even use it to remove backgrounds. So I'll advise you go watch it so that you can actually know how to use the pen tool effectively. There's hardly a design I do that I don't use the pen tool, so that's why I know that the pen tool is unavoidable. You cannot avoid the pen tool in Photoshop as a graphic designer. So now the first thing we need to do is to click. So now after creating your path here, then you click your text tool, horizontal text now. So now your text is selected. So you don't just click randomly outside. You place the cursor on that path you created. You can see how the text looks like now. The moment you place your cursor on the path, you can see it changes the sign. It changes it. It adds a path to the cursor. You can see the difference. Let me do it again. You can see the difference. So all you need to do is just to click somewhere around the path. Then once you click, then you can see it creates a cursor along that path. So you can now type whatever you like. Okay. Okay. Now so once you're done, you click OK. Okay, so now I've created the text, but I realized that part of the text I created didn't show up. So what I can do is I can you click this part selection tool, you click it. Once you place it on the cursor, or sorry, once you place it on the text, you can see that the sign changes, which shows you that you can actually move it in any direction that you want. You can see you can move it in any direction that you want. Okay, you can move it down, you can move it up, okay, and you can slide it along the path. Okay, then now you notice I told you that there's something I typed that wasn't obvious, and it's because of the allocated space for that text has been occupied. So what I need to do is to bring this cursor, this part tool, this part selection tool. I bring it. Remember I placed it on the text before to move it about, but now since I want to actually expand where it covers, I put it at the extreme end, then I drag. Can you see the text I typed before is out now? So if I want to centralize this, I place it on this middle of the text I created, then I can now move it about. Can you see? Can you see that? You can see that. Okay, so that's that. So it makes everything easy and straightforward for you. So now okay, since we've centralized this, the next thing I want us to do is to bring this text from outside this circle. We want to bring it inside the circle. How can we do that? It's quite easy. Now if you don't have the character toolbar, in the Photoshop for beginners video, I think, yes, that's the part 1. Yes, that should be the part 1. I created I explained how you can actually bring this out. So if you want to bring this out, just check the part 1 video. It will be in the description below. The link is there, so you can go watch how you can actually bring out this. So now you're working with the character, and don't forget that your text is still selected. So you can see this A here, you can see this set the baseline shift. This set the baseline shift. Now don't forget this part we first created is the baseline. So whatever you're moving, whatever is created on the baseline is what you move with this. So let's move this. You can move it positively or negatively. So positively, you can see it's moving away from the circle. You can actually use this to create some clearance. You see, like this. You can use it to create some clearance. So, but if you want to put it inside, you use the minus value. Can you see that? Can you see? Can you see? So you can see that the text is looking a bit congested. They are looking too closely together. You can use this. You use this, set the tracking for the selected characters. So you move this. You can see I've expanded the range between them, the space between them. So basically this is how you can actually tweak text around whatever you want. Okay, let's just go ahead and just make this circle look a bit nice. All right, okay, Ctrl J. Let me rasterize this, or better still, Ctrl T. We're trying to just make the work look a little bit more nice. So it's still the same thing. It's still the same thing. So let me say Ctrl J. Okay. Rasterize this. Alright, rasterize layer. Then I can cut this. Yep. Alright, so the circle looks hollow. It looks hollow now. So I can give this, okay, I can stroke this a bit. Let me give it a stroke. Let me give this a stroke. All right, where's a stroke? Okay, yeah, I can stroke this and give this a stroke. Let's say, let's give it a black stroke. We don't want something too strong. We want something quite okay. You can see. So you can give this a stroke and say okay. That's that. So this text, you can actually make it white. You can make this text white. So that's it. So if you want to actually play with this again, if you want to play with this text again, this extreme design, all you need to do is just to click your text, your text, then you can click the path selection tool again. Once you click it, you can see that the path comes out again. Then you can now play around with it. So you can now play around with it. Okay, so can you see that? So it's very easy, you know, creating text in a circular path and it will be even. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial, that's all we'll be treating today. So I need you to try this on your own and also put in the comment section below. Let me know what you need me to treat. If you have any question or you have any topic that you actually want me to treat that you don't know how to go about it, just let me know in the let me know in the comment section below, and I'll definitely create a video for you. So nice having you, and see you in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like and share this video with your friends. See you.